OnePlus has launched the OnePlus 8 series in India, and to be honest, it's just a OnePlus 7T series with some makeover. If you're planning to buy one, don't. This is Shreyas from GoNerd, and let's check out why. OnePlus is known for giving the best specs in the industry at an aggressive price in their flagships. At start, OnePlus used to have only one flagship a year. Then, they started with 2 flagships a year, which includes a T version. It was manageable and people liked it too, but then they came with a Pro idea and started using 4 flagships a year. And that's when they lost it. So now OnePlus have 4 flagships a year. The base variant, the Pro variant of it, the T variant and the Pro variant of it. Earlier, OnePlus used to give all its best specs in one single flagship, but now there are 4. So the latest and the best specs needs to be distributed between all the 4, and they have to be unique too, to give them a different name, a unique name. That's what they did with the OnePlus 8. OnePlus 8 is very similar to the earlier flagship, which is the OnePlus 7T, which came 6 months back. I have made a dedicated video of it. OnePlus 8 comes with the 4300 mAh battery with Snapdragon 865 processor, which is the latest. But if we speak out the camera, OnePlus 8 have the same cameras as OnePlus 7T. At least 2 of them, 48 megapixel and 16 megapixel. The 12 megapixel telephoto camera on the OnePlus 7T has been replaced with 2 megapixel micro lens. They both use the same 16 megapixel front camera. Even the display, it's same size and the same 90Hz refresh rate. It's just the punch hole replacing the notch. The only major difference in the OnePlus 8 series is the 5G support, which we do not need yet in India, because it's not yet available. It might be there by 2022. Till then, we might have the OnePlus 10 series. So if you want to buy a 5G phone by then, you can buy the OnePlus 10. The 5G chip will be cheaper too. Today, 5G technology is a new technology, so the chipset is pretty higher in price. 10,000 rupees more than OnePlus 7T if we compare. I don't think you will buy a phone and pay for a feature which you cannot use. If you want to buy a premium phone, don't buy the OnePlus 8. Either go for OnePlus 7T or wait for OnePlus 8T to come, which is just 6 months away, maybe around September. Maybe OnePlus also cuts the price of OnePlus 8 series. As we spoke earlier, OnePlus has to distribute all the best specs in 4 flagship devices a year. The specs which OnePlus 8 lacks will come in OnePlus 8T series. That is for sure. So, what do we expect in OnePlus 8T series? The ultra-wide camera which OnePlus 8 lacks, or 64 megapixel or 108 megapixel camera, which many of the other phones are using right now. I'm pretty sure OnePlus will upgrade the camera of OnePlus 8T series with some higher resolution. OnePlus 8T might also come with wireless charging and IP rating, as it is on the OnePlus 8 Pro. OnePlus is using a 30 warp charge since a long time, and now it is time for them to upgrade. And the latest leak confirms that the 65 watt charger is coming from the next OnePlus flagship, that is the OnePlus 8T series. It may also come with the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, if that's the name. Also, you might see the 120Hz refresh rate on the OnePlus 8T as it is on the OnePlus 8 Pro right now, or 144Hz refresh rate as there are some devices using that. There are also some leaks about the OnePlus Z, which would be coming around July. And it's a 4G only phone, so it might be less than 30,000 rupees. That's it for today. If you're planning to buy a new OnePlus phone, do not buy the OnePlus 8. Either buy the OnePlus 7T or wait for OnePlus 8T series or OnePlus Z to come. Let's discuss it in the comment section or give it your poll here. If you think the video was helpful, like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Let's go now.